I just got back from church today and I know I have a whole day of canning in front of me. So much so that I actually prepared and bought another steam canner. I thought I would go ahead and unbox and show you how simple it is to set a steam canner up. This is the canner that I use. It's FruitSaver steam canner. I got it right off of Amazon. It really wasn't very expensive, so you can get into it at a pretty low cost. So as I open this up, super simple. There's the wonderful pot. Directions. I actually keep the directions very handy. This indicator knob, which actually I'll open up in just a minute. Another large piece is the bottom plate. And that's pretty much it. Bottom plate, the top, the insert that you lay your cans on, right on the top there. Water goes right on the bottom. It just steams right through. And then this is your lid. And I'm going to put the knob right on top of it, which also serves as the temperature indicator. We're going to go ahead and get started with putting together the indicator knob. And so the little package came with all of these items. I went ahead and detached the screw and the washer from the back of the indicator. So you will take the indicator knob, find the two notches on both sides, line them up with our ring, snap them right in so it makes a flat surface. I then take the knob, put that together. And then the final thing is actually the skirt. And so I go ahead and put the skirt on the back side. That is what the whole contraption is gonna look like on top of the lid. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to the lid with that screw all the way through. I place it right over the screw, put it right through the middle hole. I punch that through. Okay, I finally got the indicator knob onto the cover. That was a lot harder than I thought. That was more human error than manufacturer error. One thing I wanted to point out to you though is the indicator knob, the writing on it, you want it to actually line up with the FruitSaver words on top of the lid. Reason why is that when you are canning, you're able to place it onto the stovetop, have all the words facing you, easier to actually read the indicator, and you're set and ready to go. The first step that we're going to do is an indicator test to ensure that we have the right temperature when we are canning in the future. On the knob, there are 3 different zones, and you will look at the zone that it is according to your altitude. If you're unsure of your altitude, go ahead and Google your zip code and say, what is my altitude? For ours, we're anywhere from 350 to about 560 feet in elevation, which puts us in zone number 1. The next thing that we are going to do is fill our water pan with approximately 2.5 quarts of water. Place the rack right back on top. Next step to ensure that we have the right temperature on our indicator knob is to fill 4 quarts of water. You do not actually need to put a lid while we are doing just the temperature test. The indicator line goes to its highest point. It should take roughly 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the timer for about 20 minutes so I can return, take a look at the red indicator line and see if it has gone to maximum capacity. Once it has, I will mark the line with a Sharpie. And so I did that in my old lid. Once you are canning naturally and not doing the test, you will always want your processing to start once your red line has hit that indicator. Then you know you are safe. It's like a boiling point, just like a water bath canner, and you start your processing time. Okay, it has been about 40 minutes, and it said anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes to do the indicator. It also said if the lid starts to rattle or spitting starts to occur, to go ahead and turn down the stovetop until those actions cease. Let's go that maximum of what they said, about 45 minutes. I'll do my marking right here, and then this steamer is ready to be used today. So I think I'm actually safe to go ahead and mark this, and that is now my indicator. I'm going to come right up here. I know it's hot, so you have to be very careful. And I am going to mark where that is for my red line. Let me show you. I hope that inspires you to go ahead and grab a steam canner, try it out. It is so easy. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the lid. I lift away from me, the steam escapes, and there's your product sitting beautifully. Just love it. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this type of information and content, come along with our country living journey and subscribe. Thanks so much and have a great day.